If you go onto Etsy and you search for the daily digital planners, you would see many listing like this one. Just an example of these planners. Look at this person. He has made daily, weekly and monthly planners, and he is selling them all three together at $3.14, and till now he has got around 176 reviews on this item. The experts say that only 10% people leave the comment, which means that this by 176, if you multiply it by 10, around 1700 copies of this planner have been sold. But even if you don't take the expert's opinion and you simply multiply it 176 with 3.14, it comes out to be $552. And mind you that this list was uploaded on 4th June and today is 5th June. I am recording this video. So within one day, this person has made $552. Let me show you another example. So if you search for the checklists on Etsy, you would see the single pager checklists are routines like this one. This is kind of a chart, editable daily, weekly routine chart for the kids. You can get the inspiration from the website like Etsy and you can create that. He is selling this single pager at $4. And till now he has got 268 reviews. Again, I would not multiply the reviews with 10, and I'm just going to simply multiply the 268 with $4. So it comes out to be 1000 plus $1072. And again, this list was uploaded on 4th June. Today is 5th June. So within one day, this person has been able to make $1000 with this single PDF file. You can see that it is a single PDF file. So let me show you the last example and then I'll come to my actual point. Okay, now check out this last example. These are the forms which people are selling on Etsy. This is an order form, or it is an invoice or a bill, kind of a single pager PDF file. You can see that it's not difficult to create it with heading and few tables, adding the all details. This person is selling it at $2.24. He's a bestseller. Till now he has got 129 reviews, and again this was uploaded on 4th June. So if I multiply 129 with 2.24, so it comes out to be around $300. So within one day, with this single pager PDF file, this person has made $300. So that's the power of digital products, and this is the advantage of starting an online selling digital products like these one PDF files, single pagers, and by these items you can create the passive income. You have to create it just once and then you have to earn the money again and again. Every month you would see that the people would buy your product and you will get more and more money. You can also generate a passive income by starting this online digital product selling business. You don't need to be an expert in anything. I'm going to show you all the softwares that you would require. Some of them are free and some of them are not, so it will be up to you, but I'm just going to show you everything that you need to know to start this online selling business to generate the passive income by using the Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, Google Docs or Google Slides. These are the softwares which you need to get an expertise on. And if you're not an expert of PowerPoint or Word, then I'm going to show you 3 more softwares which are available online, which are beginners friendly and they have the built-in templates. You can use these softwares to start your passive income by generating or selling these digital products. The first website which I want to recommend is this one. It is called Snappa. I'm going to give the link in the description. You can check out for yourself. The second website which I want to recommend is called Stencil. Here, as you can see, that there are thousands of templates. You can straight away pick a template and you can just modify that, change the color scheme or fonts, and then you can download that template and sell it on Etsy as your own digital file. And the third and final software which I want to recommend is called Canva. Canva is by far the most popular out of these three. This is the interface. As you can see that I have already searched the daily planners, and as you can see that there are hundreds of the to-do list or daily planners options available. You can start to click any one of them and just edit few things to make it unique, and then you can download it. Look at this, just a simple daily planner. I can simply click on this, so it is going to open up in the editor, and as you can see that I can change these wordings, I can change these fonts, even I can change the background color from here, and I can even make it total white, and you can do anything basically you want. Just get the inspiration from all the different templates that the people have uploaded on the websites like Etsy, and modify these templates, and then you can simply click on here and go to the download section, and you can download it as a PDF file. From here you need to just select the PDF and you can download this, and now you can simply upload this file to the Etsy and you can sell it as your own. Similarly, the second example which I showed you onto the Etsy was that the people are selling checklists. So look at this, that there are many checklist templates available on this website. Just pick anyone, just get the data from somewhere or use your own creativity and make these checklists unique by changing their fonts, background, or their colors scheme. You can simply just by clicking onto this and then going on to the styles, from here you can simply click on any of these color scheme, and you would see that the overall font scheme would immediately change, as you can see over here. So you don't need to work very hard on these softwares. You can create these checklists within maximum of half an hour, and then you can download and upload onto the Etsy. The last example which I showed you onto the Etsy, that the people were selling forms, and you can see that I have searched the order form on Canva, and again you would see that there are thousands on thousands of forms available. You just need to pick one and edit it, and then as I've already explained it, to create your own and sell it on Etsy. That's how simple it is. Canva is free to use, as you can see over here, but if you want to start it as a business, I would recommend you to buy their pro version, and I'll just explain quickly why. So why would you need a pro version of Canva? Because here you would see that in these templates, some of them are free where this icon is not there, but on where this icon is there, you need to buy the Canva, and only then you can use this daily planner. Why? You can create your own blank with the free version, but it is going to consume your time. So the time is the real money. So you need to make more digital files in less time, then you have to spend some money, and then you have to buy the pro version of Canva. Similarly, in this checklist option, you can see that some of the checklists are free, but then the other are the paid options, or the pro version only can access. So you will have to buy the Canva pro version. Now, how much the Canva costs? If you buy this pro version, it is going to be $6.49 per month, and if you buy it for the whole year, it is going to cost you $54.99. and if I just multiply this $54.99 with 12, it comes out to be $4.58 a month. So you just need to pay $4.5 a month, and you can use this thousands and thousands of templates that are available, and you can sell them. So this $54.99 a year or $4.5 a month can even be further reduced, because if you see on the top, it says that it is from 1 to 5 people. So if you are a group of 5 people, you can buy one license of Pro, and all you 5 can use this Pro version for the whole month at $4.5. So if I just divide by 4.58 with 5 people, so it comes out to be $0.9 a month. So it is just less than $1 a month, or overall $12 a year. You can have this Canva Pro version. So it is highly recommended to buy this, because you can see that you get a storage of 1000 GBs instead of 5 GBs, and there are background removers are available, which is very important, because once we will move further we will see that there are many digital files where you would be required to remove a background from the picture. So once you will search here for the elements and for the photos, you would see that there are also icons here, which means that you cannot use these. While you can search them online on different websites, you can download them and then you can upload them here, but it is again going to take a lot of time, so this is not worth it. It is highly recommended that you buy this product. So on the flip side, as I've already explained, that if you upload this kind of a planner, just one planner can meet the cost of the whole year within a month, and then attached everything is bonus. So my recommendation would be that if you want to start an online passive income by selling these digital products, you can start with Word or PowerPoint if you have some expertise on that. But if you want to save time and if you want to start it as a business and not as a side hustle, you can buy this pro version of Canva and you can get everything for free, and you can make these templates within minutes and you can sell them on Etsy or other websites like that, and you can start to generate money every month with those digital files. For creating the digital files for yourself on these websites on which I have shown you the Canva, then you can hire the freelancers on websites like Fiverr. As you can see that by searching for the digital planner, I have searched these are all the people who are saying that they will design the high quality Etsy digital planners for you, and they are starting it at $50,000, $50, $10, and then there are different price ranges that are available. So this is also another way of doing it, that you, instead of buying that Canva, you can hire a freelancer and then you can ask them to make those digital files. They will send those digital files to you, and then you can upload those files to the Etsy. I have given the link of this page in the description. You can go and check out for yourself if you want to hire any freelancer to make these digital files for you. And if you buy that Canva, you can create those digital files and you can start this freelancing business on websites like that. You can make a gig for yourself and you can start your business just like these people who are getting the work from the other people, they are earning money through the freelancing. So there are multiple ways that you can earn money from the digital files. I'll be making a video shortly in which I will show you how to use this Canva and how you can create these kinds of digital files from the scratch, or you can edit these digital files. Once that video is ready, it will be displayed here in the end screen card. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video.